Hi, I'm Anya and this is Kasia from Zephyr and Stone, and here are our top 5 tips for creating a Scandi style in your home.
Our first tip is incorporating blonde timber floors. Embrace the natural elements of your home and incorporate hardwood flooring, even in the kitchen. Timber floors are either whitewashed or constructed of pale timbers to reflect light.
Our second tip is to stick to neutral colours. Think whites, greys, blacks and browns. Walls are generally kept white or pale grey to allow for furniture and art to take centre stage. Colour can be introduced through natural timbers, furniture and accessories.
Our third tip is incorporating natural materials. Think rich leathers, natural fibres and woven textiles. Scandi Style is all about layers, so incorporate as many natural finishes as you like.
Our fourth tip is keep it simple. Quality over quantity, and everything should work in harmony with the rest of the space. All decorative items should have a practical or aesthetic purpose and incorporate living elements in the home, like foliage or plants.
And lastly, let in as much natural light as possible. Leave windows bare or opt for light fabrics such as sheer curtains. A layered lighting scheme is preferable to a single source of light. Think wall lights, pendants, as well as downlights.
Scandi homes show us that less really can be more.